Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your account in Lovoo app. So if you haven't downloaded the app, you can download it from both Play Store or App Store. Here I am Android user, so I'll be showing you downloading through Play Store. Open the Play Store and search for Lovoo. Now after the app is displayed on the screen, beside that you will see install button. Tap on that and wait until the app is completely installed. Lovoo is an app where you can meet different peoples, they with them flirt and make new friends or love. As you can see, app is completely installed. Now I'll tap on open for registration. You'll see the option below. You can continue with Google, Facebook or your email ID. You can choose anyone. I'll tap on continue with email so I can register my account with my email ID. Now you must enter your email ID and a password with which you want to register your account with. So after you have entered your email ID and a password, tap on continue. Now you must enter your first name in a given text box. So after you have entered the name, tap on the arrow which is at bottom right of the screen. Again, you must enter your date of birth. After that, again tap on arrow. Choose your gender. Now to upload the picture, tap on the plus sign where it's written upload your best photo. First impression matters. Simply tap on the plus sign. Now allow Lovoo to access photo and medias on your device. So tap and allow and select a photo from your gallery. Just tap on the photo and again tap on the arrow. Now tap on any one option. What are you looking for? I'll tap on your friends chat and again tap on arrow. Also the app is asking what are you interested in. You can tap on anyone. Here I'll tap on everyone and again tap on arrow. Now Lovoo has sent you information. You can read it and tap on agree. As you can see, I've successfully created my account in Lovoo app. I hope this video helped you, and if you like our video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video for more updates. Thank you.